Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Shopee M04 problem. Having trouble with the Shopee M04 error? Don't worry, it's a common issue, and here's what it actually means. This error usually appears when a voucher or promo you're trying to use isn't valid for your order setup. It could be because the order doesn't meet the promo's requirements, like the wrong items, incorrect payment method, or not reaching the minimum spend amount. For example, if a voucher says 15% off with a minimum spend of 250, but your order is below that, the vouchers won't apply. Likewise, if the promo is only for cash on delivery and you're paying by card, it won't work either. Another possible reason is that the voucher has already expired or been fully redeemed. To check this, go to My Vouchers in your account and see if it's still active. If it shows that it's 99% used, there's still a small chance it can be applied. But if it's fully used or expired, you'll need to wait for new ones. So, in short, review the voucher's terms, confirm your payment method, and make sure your card meets all the requirements to get those discounts working again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.